You are at a restaurant with a friend. The bill comes. You want to pay for everything, but you are not sure how to say it. In this video, you will learn simple and natural ways to say it. Today, we follow Alex and Lori at a restaurant. Alex wants to pay for everything, but Lori says no. She gives him one reason, and Alex can't say no. What does she say? Listen and find out. Let's go.
That was so good. I loved the pasta.
It was really good. The soup was great too.
I come here a lot. The food is always good.
Yes, okay, I think we are ready to pay.
Yes, let me get the bill. Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. One moment, please.
I will pay for both of us. It's no problem.
No, Alex, please let me pay this time.
Lori, I really don't mind. I can pay for both of us.
I know, but you always pay. It is my turn.
Okay. Why don't we just split it half and half?
Half and half. Alex, I had the pasta, a juice, and a dessert. You only had the soup and a coffee.
That is fine. I don't mind.
But I do care. It is not fair to you. Let's just pay for what we each ordered.
You are making this too complicated.
I am just trying to be fair.
Fine, but I am paying next time. No more arguing.
Okay, next time is all yours.
Now you know how to offer to pay and how to say no politely. Subscribe for more stories like this.
Here is your bill.
Thank you. Let me look at the total. Okay, my pasta, juice, and dessert. That is $24. And your soup and coffee are $14.
So $38 in total.
Yes, and we should leave a tip.
A tip. How much should we leave?
Usually 10 to 15%, so about $5 or $6.
The service was really good today. Let's leave 6.
I agree. Okay, excuse me. We are ready to pay.
Of course, thank you.
Here you go, and please keep the change.
That is very kind. Thank you so much. Here is your receipt. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. Everything was really good today.
Yes, the soup was excellent. And the service was great.
That is so nice to hear. Thank you very much.
We will definitely come back.
We hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. That is the end of our story. Lori and Alex had a great meal, and now you know exactly what to say when it is time to pay. Let's look at some useful phrases from today's story. When Lori was ready to pay, she said, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?" When Alex offered to pay, he said, "I will pay for both of us." When Lori said it was her turn, she said, "You always pay. It is my turn." When they agreed to split the bill, Lori said, "Let's pay for what we each ordered." And when they were ready to pay, Lori said, "Here you go, and please keep the change." Simple phrases, but now you know exactly when to use them. Watch the video again. The first time you followed the story. The second time, listen for these phrases, and you will understand every word. Do you remember the question from the beginning? Alex wanted to pay for both of them, but Lori said no, and she gave him one reason why. What did she say? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I will reply to you in English. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.